Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Typescript. So today we are going to discuss about the built-in generics, that is return type. Okay. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my videos. So let's get started. The return type utility type in Typescript is used to extract and represent the return type of a function or a method type. It allows you to capture the type that a function is expected to return and use it elsewhere in your code. So let's take an example. Okay, so here first we have the greet function. Okay, we have a greet function that takes a name, argument, and returns a string. Here we have taken one argument, that is the name, and the overall returns a string. Okay, return this one. We use the type of greet. Okay, so here you can say the return type of greet to obtain the function type. So here I want to retrieve the type of the function, whether it's to be string, number, or what. Okay, we then use return type of greet. Okay, to capture the return type of the greet function, which is a string. We can now declare a variable greeting. So here you can see that we are declaring the variable greeting of the type greeting type. Okay, so of the type greeting type, that is, if it returns string, okay, then it could be the string, which is inferred to be a string because its return type is the type of the string. Okay, and then we will console.log, so it will return the output, because here you can see that what it is a string return function type. Then here we are passing the name, and what it gonna be return, hello allies. Okay, so let me add this into the code and let's see. So let me open the only VS code is suitable. Let's try to add this. Okay, so let me comment the previous one. Let's add this. Okay, let's try to print. So here you can see that li is this. Or if I put the number, then what happened? Showing error. Why? Here you can see that argument type number is not assignable to a parameter of the type string. So its return type is a string. If you're going to pass the string, then it will acceptable, otherwise not. Okay, so this is the difference. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.